Today, we are kicking off the first day of our drive-through dash as our Summer Stock Up campaign continues. We're collecting donations that will benefit local food pantries.
And Emily, you visited one of those pantries in Wyoming this week.
Jay, Meredith, that's right. UCOM is just one of the pantries benefiting from your donations. And what I love about this pantry is its focus on healthy food options. The United Church Outreach Ministry is on Chicago Drive, Southwest in Wyoming, with a welcoming sign in both English and Spanish. They offer services for both emergency and ongoing needs like help with financial literacy, workforce development, plus health and nutrition classes. They have their own garden to grow fruits and vegetables, which are sold at affordable rates through the farm stand. There are also community spaces for you to grow and maintain your own gardens.
That connects our local farmers to our local neighbors and also offers us kind of an in-between step. So the pantry is free, but it's limited. We can only do that once or twice a month. The farm stand you can come and shop at as often as you want, Monday through Thursday, and it is an income-based sliding scale program. So our low-income qualifying neighbors can come and get discounted produce that's fresh, local, good from our farmers, but it's removed some of that financial burden from them.
And one of my favorite parts about this pantry is that they offer fresh flowers to those who are visiting their pantry. Qualifying clients are actually able to leave with one bouquet for themselves and one for a friend. It's an item that you can't always make it on the budget, but always offers that nice boost. And with UCOM, they offer help to those who are self-declared, meaning if you identify as being in need, help is available. You just have to call and make an appointment. We'll get those details up for you on our website, 13onyourside.com.
Emily, I am so impressed with this place.
I am too,
From
especially
having
with the bouquet of flowers.
I know, a garden right there to a free bouquet that you can take for yourself and your friend. And this is just wonderful. I'm so glad, Em, that you visited that pantry, had a great experience, and brought us this story this morning from our parking lot with our truck behind you that we want to fill with donations today.
That's right. It's an exciting day.